Do you know many people are having trouble with the Blendtec Q-Series Blender's blending time? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Adjust mix's temperature. First, prevent blending cavitation by adjusting your mix's temperature. Lessen ice, increase liquid, and keep all frozen ingredients above 10 degrees Fahrenheit or 12 degrees Celsius. Step 2. Extend blending cycle. Next, consider extending your blending cycle. You can use a higher button number or the pulse button for the extra blending time needed. Step 3. Secure Blender's drive. Finally, ensure that the blender jar's drive shaft is securely plugged into the blender's drive socket. When done with these steps, you should be able to increase your Blendtec Q-Series Blender's blend time and create a perfect blend. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Blendtec users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.